We have a Best range hood model USPK22. We've had it for about 5 to 8 years, and this is the problem that we're having. The unit is right here in our cabinet. Here's a shot from underneath. I've taken out the filters, and this is actually the problem that we've got. I'm going to turn the light on here, and when we start the unit up, it starts quiet. There's a little bit of a rattle, but as you increase the fan speed, these are the noises that we hear. And what I need to know is, how do we fix this? I'm going to post this on YouTube, and hopefully somebody from Best can give me some ideas. But here's another view of the unit. What we've got.